welcome to my channel. This is the first video of 2022 and I am so happy that it has to do with seed starting. If you're new here, my name is Roxana. I garden in Zone 5 in Central Indiana, and today I'm just going to show you a few things that I got in the mail. I got a bunch of seeds. I had been ordering like crazy, you know, it's winter, but also I decided to order a few things from Bootstraps. They are like somewhat a little bit of a better choice for ordering all of your trays. I have some pink ones from last year that I used, and I was very happy with the quality and everything, in how they are holding after a year. So I decided to invest in a few of them. So let me show you what I ordered. This is fun. This light's a little bit crazy in this room, but I think that it's fine. Yes. Oh, yes. Look at that. Can you see that? I think these are the 2.5. Oh my gosh, these are so strong. These are the 2.5 inch containers. Can you tell it? Look at the color. I love this color. They partner up with, I can't remember her name. I follow her on YouTube. She has a garden channel, and she came up with a bunch of colors, I think 4 or 5 colors for the 2.5 inch containers. And when I saw that, I just had to go and order some. Look at this. These are really, really strong. I think I ordered 240 of these guys. Yeah, 240 of these. These are going to last me a while, you guys. I mean, these are like really, really strong. Oh, that's right. I ordered some of these. I forgot. Yes. So these are the trays. 2, 4, 5. I ordered 5 of these. These are the 32 tray cell trays. I don't know, but these are for these guys. Let me show you right here. Can't really take this. So I got 5 of these trays, and then I have 240 of these containers. I believe that I can fit 32 in here. Look at that. And these have holes. So they are supposed to be for, you know, like just transferring around. These are not supposed to be for holding water. What I order as well, oh my goodness, these are nice and strong. This is exactly what I was hoping for. I ordered some regular 10 by 20 trays. I believe I got 10 of these guys. But I am just tired every year of buying these type of trays. You know, like you can find them anywhere. Menards, Lowe's, they're like $1, $1.50. They're very inexpensive, but they break so easily. I broke so many of them last year, so I decided this year I was going to invest in some nicer ones. Look at that. This tray fits nicely in here. And I wasn't going to really buy these trays, the 32 holding trays for the little guys. I know that last year, as I was watering the containers, the little containers, I have to move them out of one container to the other, and that was a pain to move them individually. This way I can move them all together in one piece. So that's going to work out really, really great. Wow, I am really, really happy with the color. You know, sometimes you see, you know, things online, and they take the pictures, they edit the pictures, they edit them, you know, to make them look better. But when they do that, colors sometimes change. but I love this. I love it. So that's all I got from Bootstrap, and I am really, really excited to start using this for my growing season, which is going to be starting pretty soon, by the way. But let me show you some of the seeds that I ordered. All right, first let me show you a couple of seeds that my friend Nikki from the Broadway Gardener sent me. These are Nebraska Wedding. I believe these are tomatoes. I have never heard of these tomatoes, so I am very excited. And she also sent me a white, a pink, Rose of Sharon. I don't know that I'll be starting this one, but definitely this tomato one. And I got a few orders. These are all from Baker Creeks right here, but this one right here is new for me. It's Outside Pride. Oh, these are so fun. Oh, you know what? I believe that I did order from them before. That's where I order my Canna Seeds. So let me show you what I got from them. Yes, I got some Canna Seeds. Look at that. I believe I ordered 2 of these guys. These are Canna White, but from the pictures and from the reviews, they're not completely white. They start with this like a yellow tone on the outside, and then they mature into this white color. I have 2 of these white ones, and there are 10 seeds in each of these containers, so I got 20 of those. And then I also got the Canna Salmon. Aren't those gorgeous? I am excited to try new colors for cannas. So I got those from Outside Pride here, Outside Pride Company. You should definitely check them out. And these over here are all from Baker Creeks. Okay. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So I got a tomato, a watermelon beefsteak tomato. Look at that gorgeousness. I am a sucker for beefsteak tomatoes. And then I have this purple rain tomato. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, whoever is doing the photos at Baker Creeks is definitely a very talented person. I have oregano. I don't think that I have tried oregano from seed before, so this will be my first time. Oh, yes. So this is sweet mage or Mexican mint. These are marigolds, and I'm gonna try them. I think that they're supposed to be quite different from your traditional looking marigolds, and I'm excited. Oh, yes. Black strawberry tomato. They're supposed to be really, really sweet cherry tomatoes. And oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This one with the sun sugar tomatoes that I have, I think they're going to be the best cherry tomatoes. Abe Lincoln. I thought that I had ordered that before, but I couldn't find the package. If you guys have any tips for me for all of these seeds that I'm ordering, please let me know. Give me some tips in the comments. Another new one. I believe this is a new one for them as well for this year. Prairie Fire Tomato. Oh, and this is a free package. Mizuna, I don't know. It's always fun to see what kind of free package they sent. More Genovese basil seeds. You can never have enough basil seeds. Yes, this is a African Nunum basil. I read the reviews and it's supposed to be really a nice basil, huge leaves. And then this one, purple ball basil. This is supposed to be more on the smaller plant variety. I'm excited to try it. This is a thyme orange yellow. Doesn't it look so cute in the pictures? And I got me some nasturtiums, some Bloody Mary nasturtiums. Look at the colors on that. My goodness. What else can you want from any other plant, flowering plant? These are gorgeous. Yes, I wanted to order this last year, but they ran out of seeds, and finally found some seeds this year, so I grabbed me a few. I'm going to start this. It's a melon, and I'm very excited to try it. Got some amaranth, golden giant. I am hoping that it grows well and tall like it's in the picture. Look at that, look how gorgeous that is. Yes, I love this lettuce. I actually purchased seeds from it 2 years ago, and they had been sending me free seeds from this variety, and I love it. Another cherry tomato, Isis candy cherry. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And of course, I got some more snapdragons just in case I ran out. I have a bunch of snapdragon seeds, but just in case. And I have a sunrise bumblebee tomato. I saw someone on YouTube rave about the sweetness of these tomatoes, so I have really high expectations for it. Yes. My favorite zinnia from last year was in the Queen Lime series, so I ordered me a orange one. Last year I grew a bunch of the red lime, and this is orange, so I hope that it's somewhat close to what the picture shows. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh yes, and I have been wanting seeds from this one as well. But every time I look, they are either out of them or they were not selling last year. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Oh yes, more amaranth. Look at that, just beautiful. More free lettuce seeds. Oh yes, so I got a bunch of these Chelte bean peppers. They are not for me, they're going to be for my parents. And I ordered 2 packages because I believe that the package only comes with 10 seeds. These are super spicy, very spicy peppers. And my mother makes this huge paste when she harvests them, and I am starting the plants for her this year. Yes, I'm excited about this one, chamomile. I never grow chamomile from seed before. I actually don't even think that I have plants, regular plants in my garden from starters anyway. So this is going to be completely new in my garden. If you have any tips for me, let me know. I would really appreciate it. Oh yes, green apple cucumbers. I saw that and I'm like, I have to try them. I think that instead of growing cucamelons this year, I'm going to try these ones and we'll see how they do. And finally, my last one. My gosh, so many seeds. My last one is China Jade cucumber. Isn't that gorgeous? Again, new for me. A lot of these guys, actually most of them are new. So I have a lot to do, a lot of preparation to do in order for me to start seeds indoors this year. As you can tell, this room is a little bit different. I have all of my houseplants here, and I brought my 2 shelving units here that I'm going to be using for starting seeds indoors. I am going to give you a tour and answer a few questions on the next video. So if you have any questions for me regarding seed starting indoors, I will be happy to answer them for you my way, the way that I do things. There are tons of ways to start seeds indoors. So thank you for being here, you guys. I hope to see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, maybe today is the day. Until the next time.